Hey guys, it's me Chloe and welcome to my restaurant. Here I sell a lot of hot and cold food. I also give away free toys if they buy my food. Before customers come, let me start preparing.
Hello.
Oh, hello, how can I help you?
I'm really hungry. Do you have anything for me to eat?
It's way too early. I didn't even cook or prepare any food yet.
I understand, but do you have any instant noodles?
I don't sell that here.
What about instant cookies?
I'm sorry, but the only thing I sell is the best of the best, the food, but it takes time to prepare.
What's the fastest way that I can get my food?
Go take a nap and when you wake up, my food will be ready.
Nap? I don't need to sleep. I need to eat.
I totally understand, but for time to go by fast, you need to go take a nap.
Wait, you misunderstand me. I mean, is there a way that you can cook your food faster?
I do have to prepare it.
How about this? Can I help you prepare?
Sure, if you want it really fast.
Yeah, so which one? I want something cold and I want something hot.
Well, let me show you the snow cone machine first.
Ooh, snow cone?
And I also have an ice cream machine.
Ice cream? These look so good.
Which one would you like to look at first?
This one.
Okay.
That sounds good. I'm ready to eat.
Okay, let's take it out and take a look.
Hold it by the handle. Is it ready to make it for me now?
Yes, it is, but I don't have the material yet.
What? You don't have the material?
No, they're coming.
Oh, so we can't make it?
Maybe if the materials come later, we can make it, but I can show you some of my other hot treats.
Yeah.
Do you want the ice cream?
Maybe later. I want something hot.
Okay. Well, I do have these delicious treats.
Ooh, yummies. How about this? Can we make this?
Sure, okay. Let's open the oven and then we will agree on what food to make.
Right here. Cookies. Ooh, a
Spatula.
Oven.
What's in here?
That's probably the materials, the pan, the spoon.
Oh, that's so
Cute.
So which one do you want to make?
That seems too normal. Very funny. And this is cheesecake, right? This looks tasty. Is this gonna take long?
Yeah, this has a lot of ingredients. I think we should do this one.
Yeah, good idea.
And let's open it careful. Oh, there's some more. So what's this? This is a chocolate brownie mix. While the oven is preheating, I'm gonna pour this in and we're gonna start the steps to make it.
And I'm preparing the pan for it.
Now I need to put 1.5 in here and then I have to make dough. She has to make frosting. Frosting's supposed to turn liquidy. So they have liquidy ingredients.
Yeah, look what you formed. You didn't use all yet.
So now I need to cut it.
Put the chocolate.
And now I gotta roll this out. Okay, there we put the first one on. Okay, all done. It's gonna be ready soon.
How long?
About 10 minutes.
Why so long?
Because it has to cook, so it'll be yummy. Let's clean up and then we can go play over there.
Yeah.
Hey, what do you want to play?
What are these?
These are sumo bumpers.
Can we play with it?
Sure.
Let's play Lazy River.
Okay. Everybody house. Everybody house.
I'm morning.
Why are you moving back?
I'm not.
Come on, follow me. There. No! Wait.
I win!
No. Let's play Sumo 3, 2, 1, go! Why are you so weak?
Because I didn't get all my energy yet.
Let's go check on it. Oh, it's not ready. Let's try this. You get it first.
Okay.
Oh, wait, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2
I'm
minutes.
gonna go upside down. Ready?
Ready?
Wait, don't we have to put it up?
there.
Now I gotta let it sit and dry.
It smells like a dream. It's all ready, so how much pieces do you want to try?
2.
Okay, grab your 2 and I'll grab mine.
Okay, get a napkin. What is this yummy smell?
Oh, hi, how can I help you?
I want to buy something to eat.
Well, we just made some new food.
Okay, so can I try it?
Yeah, you see cookies? I also smell snow cone here too.
You want it?
Okay, I'll get it for you back. It's alright.
I need some frosting. This is the first time you made good food.
Did you even eat it yet?
Yeah, it's right there.
Okay.
Keep one.
Smart. We're all copying him. See, I told you I saw the best one in town. Watch this.
Oh, I'm done eating. Do you have any drinks?
No, I don't, but I do have a refreshing cone of ice. Would you like some?
I like some too.
Here's the snow cone.
Mushy?
So, yeah. First, we will pour some ice in.
Who's gonna get it first? What about the flavor?
Let me bring it up. So you have these flavors.
I'm gonna make
You
it.
can use. What's this?
Wow, that's fast. Move it.
Okay, so you can go next.
What, you're gonna eat one too?
Yeah, I gotta fulfill myself so I can sell more food.
Let me taste it first and see if it tastes like gum. Okay, at the blue. Oh, it's so good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I am dropping my snow cone at the same time, even though it's
It's time for me to enjoy. How is it?
good. No, it wasn't good. It was refreshing.
Make sure you guys come back and enjoy it.
Yeah, I'll come back and enjoy it.
Same. Make sure you guys come back and enjoy it.
Yeah, I'll come back and enjoy it.
Same.
Cups!
Those are so pretty. Wait, I need to take a photo.
It says, wash it before you
Look
eat.
at the cups though.
Ow!
And then you can have the others for the customers.
We got colors. Let's see what colors they are. Repeat after me. Orange.
Repeat after me. Clear.
These
These are the flavors we got. We have orange pineapple,
We got blue raspberry,
tiger roar,
sour grape,
lemon lime.
and pina colada.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's throw the box away so we can stand up.
What flavors are you gonna try out?
It's all set up. Are you ready for a cold, refreshing snow cone?
Yeah, this is perfect because it's really hot.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, why are you wearing a long sleeve?
Oh, someone gave me it as a gift, and it's very special to me, and it makes me smart.
Oh, and why are you wearing scrunchies?
Oh, because I'm a Visco.
Oh, okay, let's make snow cone. Just pour the whole cup and boy.
I'm ready.
Wow, look at this, that's so fun.
More?
Yeah.
It's always supposed to feel here. No.
Let's make it look like a snow cone. There, that should be all done.
Okay.
More, it's so pretty.
You can choose your colors while I make mine. Wait, why didn't you add your flavor yet?
Well, I'm feeling a bit cold, so I'm gonna put on this jacket.
Jacket, I thought those were best.
Same thing. Okay, which flavor?
I'm
I'm gonna try this. Wait, why are you making one for yourself?
It's new, so I want to try it out.
Oh, how do you open these?
This is so colorful. It's so colorful taste.
This is not so colorful.
Hello, what do you sell here? I sell snow cones. How can I help you?
I want to buy one.
That's perfect.
How much does it cost for one?
It costs $10. $10? Yeah, $10. It's really fresh and it's special.
Wait, $10 is really expensive.
No, you don't have to worry. You're a police officer. It's free for police officers.
Oh, thank you.
What about me? Do we get free? Does it look like you're a police officer? I don't look like a police officer, but I am a soccer player. That's good that you play sports, but you're not a police officer, so it's not free for you. Anyways, I still think it's too expensive. It's really fresh and it's special. Anyways, I'm gonna come back later. It's too expensive. Oh, I I guess I haven't made my first customer except for this one.
For more pretend play, press over here. Press here for my other channel. Here's a new video. This is one of my favorite videos. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Please subscribe to my new channel.